Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Lavanya and I'm a qualified chartered accountant. I cleared all my levels in the first attempt and I qualified my CA finals in November 23 and I also hold a CA foundation rank. In this video, I actually want to address something very common, which is what are things that you should do to prepare for an interview, right? These are when you qualify your CA exams, you're on top of the world if you think that, oh, now everybody's going to be behind me, giving me those jobs, I'm just going to get it. But that's not how it is, right? A lot of the times it is very tough and you need to prepare for it, but we're just so lost. I remember being so panicked. I think I panicked more about, my placements and my job than I panicked for my exams itself. Never saying something. So, here are some of, the common interview tips that, I have realized over the interviews that I've given, which, finally led me to crack the final interview. So, the first thing is you need to focus on things in the interview that you can control. Every interview generally starts with the question, tell me about yourself. Tell me about your articleship experience. Why do you want to join our company? These are questions that are common in every interview. So these are questions you can actually prepare for. Ensure that when they ask you, tell me about yourself, you tell them something that interests them about yourself, something that they can't find on their resume. That's something that is different about you. And when they ask you about your articleship experience, ensure you steer conversation in such a way that paints you in a good light, right? Which puts across that, not the simple, vouching, verification, controls testing, but what was the impact that you had? What were the changes that you made? How were you different, right? And maybe you got some awards and recognitions and, to portray yourself in a good light on, what you have done in your articleship experience. And this actually applies even to your work experience, anything that you did. And the third thing is, why do you want to join the company? Ensure that you read up about the company, ensure that you read up about the role and find your why, why you want to join that company. You can have a script and, just pass off any answer. But sometimes that question makes or breaks, whether they want you, because how passionate are you? Because and to actually show them why do you want to join the company. Like, what is it about the company that interests you? Be it their values, be it some of the projects they've taken up, be it the personal alignment with you. Like, for example, suppose they have valued sustainability and empowerment, and that resonates with you. You find yourself that sustainability is very important for you and it's something you practice in your real life and you want is to be in your professional life, is like to work for an organization that believes. So find your why and why for that specific role also. If you're switching industries, why do you want to switch the industry? What is it that you bring to the table? How can you benefit the company? So these are questions that you can prepare for. And ensure that before an interview, you are preparing for this and, you have actually written it down. Have that script and it's fine. The second thing is post this, tell me about yourself, etc. Generally, there are technical questions that come into play. These can be for a CA perspective, it would be your articleship experience, right? So ensure that when you're going through your articleship experience, you have gone through all the clients that you worked on, because we tend to forget the clients that we worked on and what work we've done it. Prepare your technical story, your India's 116, 115, impairment, borrowing costs, consolidation, business combination, basics of tax. If you're going for a tax-based profile, obviously it's going to be much more about tax. So based on the profile, ensure that you're preparing these questions, right? Ensure, at least for me, I felt like going through the ICM material was more than enough, because I realized they had a lot of examples and tricky situations that help you out. And one trick I can tell you is when they ask you about your articleship experience, ensure you steer them subtly to, the Indias you want to talk about. So you talk about, something, some impact that you had in revenue, which automatically means they ask you about 116. 115, and maybe about, leases in a technical lease or something that you identified that wasn't according to the Indias. So knowledge that craft your answers in such a way that it directs them towards the Indias you want to ask them to question you on, right? And ensure that you have 2-3 stories. So in the sense, have 2-3 stories of, errors that you found and what was the impact it had on the financial statement. Have 2-3 stories of where you displayed leadership qualities, where you really, led a team or, and helped with the financials and you acted as more than the article, right? and have 2, 3 experience of places where if you had a conflict, how did you resolve it, right? If your suggestions were not taken, if you could walk with your manager away and ensure that you're doing this very politely. It does not have to come across as that you're insulting the other person. No. But these are stories for the recruiter to understand about, right? To understand what you do, to understand what is your story, to understand what is the debate that you bring to a table. So bring these stories out and keep these stories ready. These are things you can prepare for, right? There are some questions obviously you can't prepare for them asking you random extremely technical questions, but these are things in your control. Now, the last thing that most interviews end with is, do you have a question for us? Ensure these are not your regular questions of when will I join, what is my CHC, what is my role? No. Ensure that you're asking the recruiter questions that they actually want to answer, that they're excited about answering, right? Questions which are relevant to your interview, questions like, oh, I want to switch my domain, what are some tips you would give? Those are the kind of questions. And just scout the internet. There are a lot of these questions that you can find, and they will really, help you and, actually leave a very good impression on the interviewer, right? And a lot of the times we remember things by what it was at the end of it, right? So if you leave on a high note and the interviewer actually, is impressed, who knows, right? That might just hit you convert job. The last and final thing I would say is keep a notebook and a pen right next to it. It might seem very silly and you might wonder why would I need it, but a lot of the times, like if you have any technical questions, you might get confused, or you might want to take notes during the interview, right? You can tell the interviewer, and is it okay if I take some notes? And those are things that really help me. So these are some of the common technical or any interview tips that I realized over the course, the interviews I gave and things where I went through. I made the most silly mistakes and things that, helped me improve in things that I realized. I hope this helped you guys. I hope this helps everybody who's, sitting for months in more interviews. And don't feel free to reach out.